staring at these lights is going to make me go blind one day. But, worth it. Actually, no, it's not worth it at all. What I'm saying. What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, DriveItRyan. So in today's video, I'll be battling my NA Miata against Cash from Cashed Out Cars and his NB Miata. So right off the bat, I want to thank Modified Machines for hosting this event at Lime Rock Park. Check out his website, his Facebook page, his Instagram. Alex from Modified Machines organizes events, organizes car shows, he hosts track days, and he does an excellent job organizing. And all of the drone footage, all of the FPV drone footage that you see in this video, my previous video, is by Jeff, my good long-term buddy Jeff at 413RC. He's killing it in the YouTube game right now. The kid's just incredible with RCs and drones, and if you're into any of that stuff, go check out his channel. Really, it's really cool stuff. The E90 M3 that I'm sitting in right now is actually what I planned on taking to the track, but you know, as things usually go, I discovered a few issues the night before, and you know, with great issues comes great upgrades. So stay tuned because I will be working on the E90 M3 very soon on this channel, and we'll have more BMW content if you're into that sort of thing. So let's hop in the NA Miata and I'll tell you about what a Touge Battle is really quickly, because a lot of people, they hear Touge and they're like, what? Is that English? Well, to tell you the truth, it really isn't English. Check the slippers. Editing at home right now. And I took a little break just to film this intro basically because I didn't know what was going on this day. But to answer the question at hand here, what does Touge mean? Well, Touge is literally a Japanese word that translates to pass. Pass meaning like a mountain pass, because that is where this style of racing in Japan originated from. They would race up and down, zigzagging up a mountain pass essentially. So how we did it at this event was like this. The race consists of two cars, a leader and a follower. At the very start, both cars are parked, one in front of the other, and when you get the cue to go, one starts going until they see a line of cones, and then they floor it, and then the other guy floors it as soon as he passes those cones too. They do one full lap around Lime Rock Park's new Proving Grounds course, which is awesome. And then a judge will judge the gap in between the two cars at the end of the lap. And from there, they'll switch. So the follower then becomes the leader. They do that again, same thing. A full lap around the course. A judge looks at the gap, and then they determine who the winner is. That's how we did it at this event. At a lot of events, they're timed and everything, but I think the timing equipment was broken or something today. Something went wrong, but we judged it by the gap, and after all, it was all just for fun anyways, and I think everyone had a blast. So without further ado, let's get right into the track battle. So just for a little refresh, I was in my black NA Miata, mostly stock besides a Racing Beat full exhaust and intake, Racing Beat front tubular sway bar, and at the time I had Firestone 400 treadwear, like old end of their life tires on. Complete trash. I wish I had these on. Definitely would have helped, but you know, what are you gonna do? I think Cash had Falcon Zennies on with a Torsen diff. This black car is still an open diff, but don't worry, not for long. But still, two pretty much stock Miatas, NA versus NB.
Ready?
Ready, Freddy.
The battle of all battles here.
Yep.
Stock Miatas. Go.
I'm flooring it. Fun stuff. Nothing like two stock Miatas battling it out. NA versus NB. I'm gonna kiss his butt. Huh? Oh, do I need the headlights up?
Oh, yeah. You guys ready?
Ready.
The rest of the track you gotta drive like that too.
All right.
Alright, go.
I think I lost. These tires are junk. But it's okay. Alright, so everybody go check out Cash on Cashed Out Cars. He does all things Miatas. Very clear and concise installs and videos. I mean, just check out his channel and you'll see for yourself.
That's full speed.
You're full speed?
Yep. Now I'm laying off. Full speed. Do another lap if you can.
Yeah.
Oh, that's full speed. Oh, it hit thermal cutoff.
What's that? Thermal cutoff?
Yeah.
Like it's hot?
Yeah. It's like if you juice it for too long, full throttle, it goes half speed. So this is full throttle right now.
Oh, no kidding.
If I turn it on, turn it off, it'll go. Oh, now it just shut Shut off, shut off. We might be back. I guess we're back. We'll finish the lap. Don't mind us.
She's full of capacity now?
I hope so. I guess we'll find out when you run it over.
Alright,
Yeah, that guy's
pull off after.
that guy's coming in hot. I could do this all day. This is fun. We did it.
Days like these are the best days. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you Lime Rock Park and Modified Machines for hosting the event. Check out his website, Modified Machines, to be up to date with all the car shows, cars and coffee, track days, everything that's going on in the area. He's the man to go to. Cash, awesome time. Don't forget to subscribe to Cash at Cashed Out Cars. He does very, very clear and concise how-tos, installs. He has a few Miata builds coming up. I think he's doing a K Miata swap pretty soon, so check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to 413RC. You've seen the footage, so check him out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If you don't mind, subscribe to my channel, DriveItRyan, if you liked this kind of content. I got lots of content coming up. So hit subscribe, doesn't cost you anything. Like, comment, you know the drill. YouTube stuff. See you in the next one. Peace.